Hi, I'm Tom, and I'm live coding an ASCII Lemmings game over at twitch.tv/Scotterman, link in the description. I'm here to tell you all of the progress we've made over the 3 streams we've done in the last week. Sunday night, we managed to finish off our animation editor, so we can now add new animations, give them a name. We can edit existing animations, we can add frames to each animation and edit the contents of each frame. And then we started work on getting the add rows and add columns function added to our map editor. That didn't quite go so well, and so when we came back to it on Friday, we took another crack at it, and I started the stream thinking I know exactly what one thing I need to do to get these working, and 2.5 hours later it finally started working, because there was just one thing after another that kind of each thing needed fixing, and I couldn't tell that it needed fixing until I fixed the previous one. But that got done, and then last night's stream we started using assembly script transforms to take the map files and generate them into TypeScript classes, which then the compiler can transform itself and compile into WebAssembly, which is our final output format. That was a bit tricky. There was a kind of dependency loop going on. So we've got to have the file in place, the generated class in place before we compile. Otherwise, it complains that it can't start compiling and therefore can't apply the transform, because there's a piece of code which relies on a file that isn't there. If the file is there when it starts the transform, the method we were using in the transform, called afterparse, has already read the source tree. It already knows about the file, it's already linked up to it, and when we try and add it back in, it doesn't do anything because it thinks it knows about it. Luckily, we had one of the assembly script developers on hand. They popped by the stream and were really helpful, and together we managed to get a solution which is run all of the code in the constructor instead of in the afterparse message, and then it effectively acts as though it is a before parse message, which is very handy. So tonight we're going to do the same thing for the animations, and maybe we're even going to start getting a proper save load thing going on and generating some of the scaffolding which the assembly script will require to put the levels in place and go previous level, next level. Apart from that, future plans, we've got to add in a trap tile and a tile which can only be mined one way. And then the game is about feature complete. It's just about adding more maps, which is why I'm focusing so heavily on the map editor at the moment. If any of that sounds interesting, you can come join our streams Friday, Saturday and Sunday, 9 PM till 11 PM UK time. Or you can join our Discord, which is in the description, and come chat about whatever. Links to all of that is in the description, and hope to see you in stream soon. Until then, whatever else you're doing today, I hope you have a good one. Bye.